the new inequality. Those who know how to ask AI and those who doesn't know it. The real divide today is not between those who own a computer and those who don't. It's not even about fast internet access. It's something more subtle and more dangerous between those who know how to ask AI right questions and those who don't know it. Because writing a random prompt isn't enough. You need to evaluate what comes back, spot when it's wrong, tell the difference between a basic mistake and the nuance, recognize hidden bias. Being able to say, this answer doesn't hold up, it's already an act of critical thinking. Students who treat AI like a homework generator end up dependent on it. Those who learn how to use it as a tool, not a substitute, grow. They learn how to question the technology instead of being ruled by it. Here in the United States, half of universities still don't provide institutional access to generative AI tools. That means students with money and resources can afford premium versions, private courses, targeted training. They learn to craft effective prompts, to read between the lines, to break down answers and understand what's behind them. The others fall behind, forced to trust blindly whatever shows up on their screens, and without the skills to separate truth from error. This is the new form of digital literacy. Not knowing how to challenge and automatically answer. Not being able to say, this time the AI is wrong. Not seeing the line between the real reasoning and copy-paste. It's an invisible divide, but a devastating one, because it marks who will control the technology and who will be controlled by it, who will use AI as a lever to think better, and who will let it become a crutch that weakens them instead. That's a new truth.